my channel! Uy, kayo. Okay, so for tonight, I'm doing this thing. Pampaniwang daw ni siya. Ingon nila. Pero joke lang. Let's learn Bisaya. First, si first game. Mangayot tag kuha na niya. Una. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? In Bisaya, it's gigutom ka? Gigutom ka? Next is wala. No. English first. No, I'm not hungry. I am not hungry. No, I am not hungry. In Bisaya, that's Dili. Wala ko gigutom. Dili. Wala ko gigutom. Next is are you sure? Are you sure? In Bisaya, SIGURU-A or the famous one, PAG-SURE ba? PAG-SURE ba? Next is let's go. Let's go. In Bisaya, that's tara na. Tara na. Adto na ta. Or adto na ta. Next is where are we going? Where are we going? In Bisaya, that's asa ta padulong. Asa ta padulong. Or asa ta MUADTO. Asa ta MUADTO. Next is let's go to the mall. Let's go to the mall. In Bisaya, adto ta sa mall. Adto ta sa mall. Next is I'm tired. I'm tired. In Bisaya, gikapuy ko. Gikapuy ko. Next is okay, wait. That's it for now. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. And please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe my channel before you go. Bye-bye. Good night.